I don't know exactly how to say this, but I'm frustrated. I normally start my vlogs really different. It's just because this week I was supposed to get a lot of stuff for the truck. A lot of I'm talking about 4 or 5 parts, different installation. Everything got delayed, and well, it is what it is. I'm having a hard time to find a tune for my truck. If you know anything, leave your comment below, then I can look at it, because this thing here definitely needs more power. I don't think we're gonna pick it up that much. By my research, probably we're gonna get like 10 or 15 more horsepower, but I think when you get a tune, it's more about driving better than power itself, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, so welcome to the vlog, guys. Again, Matt here as always. Thanks so much for watching. If you're here for the first time, make sure to subscribe. Yeah, hit that subscribe button, and if you're subscribing, make sure to hit the notification as well, so you get a message every time I post my video. I normally post it once a week. We are thinking about, if you're not following my Instagram, also follow my Instagram, because we are thinking about during the springtime. As you guys can see, it's really nice here in Jersey right now. I mean, it's still kind of cold, but way better. I'm thinking about upload twice a week, because I think we're gonna get more stuff done. So as you guys know, I'm doing my garage and I'm doing a lot of stuff, so just keep that in mind for you that you are about to comment below that I'm not showing as much of the truck. The truck is part of everything we're doing, but also we have a lot of stuff to do. With that being said, I hope you're not mad on me, and I hope you keep watching, right? I want to give you guys an update about my garage, because we have a problem. As you guys can see, once I'm not parking the truck in the garage, I start putting stuff here, and that's really bad. But I think I think I found a way to put the truck in here. I don't know how good you guys can see. I got the stub antenna, tried to help that. So what are we gonna do today? I'm gonna fit the truck in the garage, or at least try. Bear with me, maybe that will be helpful for some of you guys that have the same problem. And we're also gonna do some stuff with the truck. It's little things that I need to do. I need to remove that piece here and that piece there, and the same for the other side. I don't know why the shop that I took the truck to get the lift installed, they removed this part, but here they didn't, and I just want everything looking the same, so we're probably gonna get this done as well today, and we have to wait for more parts, so more to come. Boom! Just like that. I wish it was that easy, right? If you're watching for the first time, I know it's confused, but my truck was used to be in the garage, but now I have the lift kit on. So now it's gonna be the real test, because I'm gonna try to back up the truck. I'll put you guys probably right here. Well, I think here is kind of perfect. So bear with me, I'm gonna back up the truck really slow, and then we're gonna see. The first thing I need to make sure the new antenna doesn't hit the garage door. That's the first thing, and then we're gonna back up slow, really slow, and see where we got. All right, let's do it. Well, first problem, even with the stub antenna hits the garage door, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but for now, we're gonna leave without the antenna. Never drive like this! Look how close this crap it is. Look at this. Yeah. Definitely is not gonna fit. But I think I got an idea though. If we move the garage door open here, maybe even after the light, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know, somewhere here or even close. I will use a measure tape to see how far we need to go, but then it's gonna fit. I mean, I still have to deal with the antenna, which I don't know what I'm gonna do, because to be honest, If the antenna was there, it's gonna hit everything. Well, let me see if I can move the garage door opener, and then the truck fit. I mean, really close, but fits. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to make sure that I can park in here. Especially during the winter though. I don't want to leave outside. It's hard to say because if I get another car, somebody's car needs to be outside. Maybe I'll kick my wife out of the garage, which is never gonna happen. But anyway, let's see what we can do. To be honest, I knew that would happen. I just want to try to fix it. I mean, it's not a big deal at all. I mean, the truck can still be outside. I still have a big driveway, and I cannot wait to tell you guys about the next project. I mean, it's something I'm working for, and I mean, more to come, more to come. I even bought this, which is like extension for the garage door open. So I will try to figure it out, and I will show you guys the process.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I think we are lucky because the FedEx just dropped off something for the truck. Dude, that's great. I wasn't expect this. Woohoo! So, garage update. After I don't know how many trials, I bought the wrong part. That's not the rail extension that I need. I need a different one, so I have to wait a little bit more. And I just don't want to remove the garage door opener right now, and they'll have the ability to open and close the garage door just pressing my garage door opener. So we have to wait, but you guys see, if I move that and I somehow make the door open a little bit more, so a little bit more, I mean, instead of being here, being right here, the antenna is not gonna be a problem at all, so we should be good. But since we got this, I wasn't expecting this though at all. So let's open the box and see what we got from Reno. Go Reno. And you guys saw, I just got this, so I don't even know if it's gonna fit to be. Oh, yeah, baby, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So since I got everything like going black with the truck, I thought about getting a exhaust tip for my truck. This is from 2.75 inches inlet to 4 outlet. Should fit really well and really easy, but you know the drill, right? So since that we didn't get the garage door open to work, we're gonna work on the truck. I know you guys excited, me too, so let's get that done. First thing I want to do, I want to remove this. As you guys see here, I remove it. I didn't remove it, the shop did. So I need to remove this and the other side as well. So let me get the tools and we're gonna get this done. Here's without this piece. I really like it. It's way better. And one tip for you guys, grab one of this extension. It makes so much easier. I think you guys saw. So much easier. I think I pay like $4 or $5. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you have a drill, even if you are doing stuff to your house, like that's very helpful. Anyway, so I just have like a tape here. Then I need to remove it. As you guys can see, it's so filthy. Okay, what do you guys think? Here's without this stuff. Of course it's I need to clean, but here's without, and here it's with the parts. I don't know, I will remove it anyway. So if you guys hate me, I love you. This crap was hard to get out. For now, I will leave like this. What do you guys think? Looks better? Yeah, I think it looks better. I really like it. So you see here, I'm getting some rust. So what I should use it for it? I have a couple ideas. If you can help me, leave in the link in the description below what I should use it for. Because I have here, I have the other side. It's just brutal. The winter is just brutal here. I also have a little bit here and here. Here's really bad. What I should use it for? So let me know. I really want to take care of it. Anyway, once I'm down here, everyone asks me what are those? Those are from my old tail lights. They are kind of a resistor, so it's time to get off because I'm getting new tail lights. These are not really needed anymore. That's the reason why my tail lights doesn't work anymore. Okay, here is my old tail light. That's how it look like. It's kind of new though. And those, because if you don't get those, they're gonna blink like they're not gonna work because that's the LED. But I'm going with a different ones from now. I really like those though. Anyway, if you wanna, I don't know, I'm gonna be willing to sell those. You just need to deal with this thing that I don't want to deal with. I paid 130 bucks. I'll probably sell for 60 plus shipping. So if any of you guys want to and you know how to deal with it, it's brand new. Just this thing is not, actually this one here is not working. Those are working. Just I get a lot of questions about it. I just thought, well, you know what, I'm gonna deal with this now. Now the main thing we need to install it is the tip, which I'm very excited about. I don't know why. That's not gonna change anything. It's just the look. Oh, it's just the look of it. But yeah, I'm very excited. So let's see how that goes. So this thing should be a plug and play thing. I hope it is though, because if it is not, I would be really mad. So hard to do stuff with one hand. Boom. That's gonna be black out there. Should be really, there you go. That's how it's gonna look like once it's all said and done. Okay, this is not even a tutorial because this thing is really straightforward. It's just change the look of my truck. That's I think it's gonna do for now. Final result, I mean, here you can see like the rhino thing. Can you see it? Yep. I think it looks good though. What do you guys think? Should I put it like more towards out? You know what I'm saying? Like more out? Or like this, it's just fine. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. But looking from here, it's so much better. So much better. I don't know how long this video is right now, but I don't want to be super long. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the truck because spring is just brutal here. Look at all the pollen. Can you see it? And I need to get a car wash. Still a little bit cold to do by myself, and I just want to clean the truck inside outside. I'm gonna get a car wash, and then I have something to tell you.
One eternity later.
Okay guys, as you guys can see, I just changed my hat. I have a lot of work to do at the house, so I hope you guys enjoyed today. I got a car wash because it was I need it. I know it's gonna rain tomorrow, but regardless, yeah. Here is the tip, which I wasn't expect to see this today, but I'm glad that came in. The truck's still a little bit dirty, but way better. So let me know what you guys think. That's from top, so you can see it. So let me know what you guys think about the exhaust tip, the fact that I don't fit in the garage. Anyway, so don't forget to hit the bell notification, so every time I upload something, you guys gonna get a notification. I hope to see you guys next week. I'm not sure yet about the twice a week upload. Well, I'm gonna decide between today and tomorrow, so I don't know if we're gonna have upload this Wednesday, but stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure to follow my Instagram, because the Instagram is where you gonna see the updates about the uploads. If you guys enjoy, leave me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys next week. As always, don't forget, enjoy your life.